So the next pillar within our framework is called personality, and this is a great opportunity for us to shine through either using a fantastic writing style or talking about our great extracurricular activities. What I mean by writing style is the way that you word sentences, whether you use metaphors, similes, the choice of words you make, all of that adds to your writing style and helps to set you apart from the other candidates. And what I mean by extracurricular activities are things you've done outside of the academic sphere that has helped you gain some important skills which will help you become a better doctor. But not only that, talking about extracurricular activities will also show the reader that you're someone who can manage their time really well and pursue other wider interests at the same time as doing well in academia. This can also be a space for you to talk about any positions of responsibilities, whether you've been a head boy, a head girl, or a prefect, or if you've been involved in any team sports, whether you've been a captain or an important team member. Let's now take a look at this in action. As you know, this complete personal statement masterclass is completely free for you to watch right here on YouTube. But if you're like me and you prefer this information in the written format, then you might like to check out my ebook by clicking on the link somewhere up here or in the description below. This 100-page book concisely contains everything you'll need to write to your very own personal statement using genuine Oxbridge examples. I've written it to be easy to read and designed it to be easy on the eyes to help you access all the key information in the quickest way possible. And you can use the code ULTIMATE, which will give the first 100 people 50% off the book. On top of that, everyone who buys the book will get 50% off the full personal statement video masterclass, which features 20 extra lessons covering how to structure the personal statement, how to get going, how to cut down, what pitfalls to avoid, and lots of worked examples, all of which will help you craft your very own expert personal statement. Now, back to the lesson. In the previous lesson, we learned the value of adding personality to your personal statement by using things like writing style and talking about extracurricular activities. In this lesson, we're going to look at some specific examples that's going to help you do exactly that. So here's an example of a very good writing style. Attending multidisciplinary team meetings emphasize that teamwork is imperative in healthcare, where staff members have to work together to tailor and provide the best care to patients, just as organs within a system work together to carry out a role. This example uses a simile, just as organs within a system. This is a pretty nice touch to say that, look at me, I have a bit of a personality and I'm able to link what I've observed in the field of medicine to the human body. I mean, it's not incredibly clever, but it adds a little bit of style and a little bit of variety that's going to help set it apart from the rest of the people applying. Here's another example that uses good writing style. An appetite for scientific knowledge, hard work, and an altruistic outlook are essential characteristics of doctors and aspects of my character that have drawn me to study medicine. Using metaphors like appetite for knowledge and drawn to medicine are really good ways to add personality. Now let's take a look at how to word extracurricular activities. As an escape from academia, playing field hockey, where I captain both my school and county team, has strengthened my teamwork and leadership skills. This is a great example of how to use extracurricular activities to derive the key qualities and skills that you gain from that, and how that's going to help you in the future to both study medicine and become a doctor. However, one thing to note here is that it starts the sentence off by saying, as an escape from academia, which kind of implies that academia is like a prison and you're kind of stuck in it and you don't really enjoy it. And that's a pretty dangerous thing to say because a lot of medicine is based on academia, science, and just learning in general. So just be careful with minor wordings like that. It can be misinterpreted, hopefully it won't be, but just don't open yourself up to that possibility. Now let's check out another example. I've completed the Young Enterprise and Silver Duke of Edinburgh schemes and I'm the deputy head boy of my school. All of this has made me an effective leader and an efficient team member, strengthened my communication skills and ability to listen and consider everyone's views. This again is a great example of using extracurricular activities, especially the positions of responsibility, and linking that to key qualities that they've gained and how that's going to help them in the medical profession. So in summary, use personality as much as possible within your personal statement. It really helps to set yourself apart, and using things like interesting writing style and talking about amazing using extracurricular activities and deriving key qualities to them and then linking it to medicine is a really, really great way to show that you're a well-rounded person who is fantastic and suitable for medicine.